Hi, this is our cool Land Rover, and as you can see, everything is removed. Actually, this is right after the video where I removed the complete hardtop. I mean, the windows are still just sitting over here, and that's because they are going back on. It's kind of rainy here in the Netherlands. I mean, this whole thing is wet. It already rained during... yeah. So we're gonna put on the soft top. What do you need to put it on? Well, some bars. This has to be put back and a little bit of time. And that's about it. Way less painful than taking off the complete hard top. Let's go. Okay, first let's just put this back. Okay, front windshield is back up. Let's put in the door frames. So, yeah, and drop in. So, now let's put in the bars for the roof. If you've seen the other video, the top piece of the hardtop was bolted in with all these little winged nuts. And we're gonna do exactly the same thing. Just winged nuts and that's it, pretty much. Very simple, very easy, very practical. Plop. A little washer. Boom, and the nut goes on. I said the nut goes on. Hell yeah! Okay, let's repeat this many times. Okay, so now you're a bit higher up in the air, so you can also see the sides, because here something else has to go. And that something is this here. The sidebar thingy clamp, which goes over the windshield thingy. Something like this. And then, where did I leave them? Here. One of these bad boys will go just in the corner, like, and then we'll fasten some fasteners and this thing will be set. So it looks like a lot has happened, but don't worry, putting these on, they're not like, anyway in. This takes like 20 seconds. The hard part is actually putting in the bolts and the nuts and the wing nuts and everything. But this is pretty much the construction. Just some bars, the thing on the front, and then you put some cloth over it and you have your safari Land Rover. Okay, let's go. At this point it's pretty much a matter of putting in bolts in the obvious places. One cool thing, there's this half circle thingy which you put on here, so that this movement doesn't happen. Just a cool nifty little solution. Just half circle thingy, press it down, it clamps, and just everything is nice. Dit is weer zo'n heksting. So the construction is pretty much done. The only thing left to do is to put on the canvas top. Ja. Oh, die kant op. Ai, 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 ai. Daar zo. So it's not perfect yet, but hey, this is what us Land Rovers call, at least it stays dry for the night. So hey, at least it stays dry. See you tomorrow. As you might be able to tell, it's quite a bit later. I mean, yeah. I said tomorrow. It's now tomorrow plus about 2.5 weeks. Also, as a bonus for you, definitely not because I'm lazy and I don't want to install the complete soft top once more, I have the bikini top installed. Bikini top, very basic. It's a top where you sit, and in the truck bed there is nothing. Anyway, that's pretty much all there is to the install of a Land Rover Series 3 soft top. There are some huge benefits. For example, well, it's pretty much better in every measurable way than the hardtop. In my opinion at least. Oh, sorry Mike. It's warmer. Yeah, it sounds stupid, but it's warmer, even in winter. It probably keeps water out better, mostly because we don't have all the perfect seals required to perfectly seal the hardtop. And for the soft top, it just works better. But probably the most important thing is that it's more comfortable. The hardtop, it generates so much noise and resonance in the cab that the sound from the engine is being amplified, and to be quite honest, it's rather tiring. So driving around with the hardtop off or the soft top on is way more comfortable than with the hardtop on. And last thing, I just think it looks cooler. The fact that you're able to just take off the soft top in 5 minutes and reinstall it in 10, maybe 15 minutes if you're really slow. It's so amazing. You could almost do it at a red light. I wouldn't suggest you try, but hey, maybe if you have 4 people, it will be fast enough. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Installing a soft top, not that hard. And that's why people love them. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Grab yourself a cookie. And just appreciate the Land Rover and, well, the amazing Dutch weather we're having right now. Bye.